What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. Today, we're going to talk about just a reintroduction of my channel, especially if you're new around here, if you're a newer subscriber, just to give you a little bit of reintroduction to what I do on my channel and what you can look forward to sticking around. So I mainly have done beard product reviews. That's not how I started, but it kind of trickled into that, doing beard product reviews. I've done a pile of them, but I'm not your everyday reviewer. I don't use a product for 2 or 3 days and give you a review. I don't open a bottle and give you a review. I'll open a bottle, give you a first impression, then I use the product. Did a series called Year of the Beard, where I used a company's carrier blend for an entire month and did that for 3 years. This year, 2023, I'm purchasing my own products from random companies, purchasing my product, what I want to use, using it for the entire month, 1 bottle of oil, 1 butter, 1 balm, whatever, for the entire month, and then at the end of the month giving you a review of said products and said company from a consumer aspect, not from a reviewer's aspect, because these companies don't know that I am going to review their products. So that's kind of how we switch gears with the beard product reviews. Now, like I said, I'm not your everyday reviewer. I don't have affiliates or discount codes with 90% of these companies that I have dealt with in the past. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. So there's that. I just give you my opinion as to if it works, if it don't work. But I can tell you that 99% of the beard products that I've used over the last few years of my channel, they've all worked really, really well. So that's a little disclaimer, or a little, what's the word? I can't remember. Anyway, so beard product reviews. I do outdoor gear. I test it. I review it. Sometimes I do the testing part in the video, let you see me testing it. But not always. It's just according to what it is. Not too long ago, I drank through a water filter in a dirty creek just to see if it worked and I got any adverse reactions. So there's that. Wallet series. I did for a whole year. I did a wallet series. So if you're interested in front pocket wallets, men's wallets, wallets in general, I've got a whole playlist of wallets. Literally did a wallet every 2 weeks throughout the year, if not longer than a year. I think it went longer than a year. But reviewed a bunch of wallets, carried them, used them for 2 weeks, and then gave you a review on them. I do nomadic boxes. If you've never heard about nomadic, it is a subscription service where you can get boxes for 1, 6, or 12 months. I get those. I unbox them for you guys. So you get to see the things that come in those boxes and make an educated decision if you want to subscribe to Nomadic Box. EDC gear. I do pocket dump. I show you different gear that I use on a daily basis or carry with me on a daily basis. Beard tips and tutorials. Different things about what you can do to help maintain your beard or grow your beard or keep your beard, whatever. Drones. I've got a couple drone videos where I review, test different various drones, drone accessories. Not many of those, but I've got a handful of drones that I have reviewed on this channel, and some really, really awesome drones that aren't gonna break your bank, especially if you want to learn. So some really good drones. And then outdoor tips. I have got a pile of videos about hiking tips. Hammock. When I go hiking, I take a hammock. That's what I sleep in. And so I've got a pile of videos about how to pick a location, where to hang your hammock, like how to hang your hammock, what to look out for, where not to hang your hammock, those kind of things. And just hiking, general hiking videos. So go check them out. There's a pile of content on my channel. So make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and go check out some older videos. I'm gonna put a couple cards throughout this video up top, and probably some older videos. in the end screen, I'm gonna put, I don't know what video yet, but I'm gonna put a video in there that I encourage you to go watch. I'm not sure yet. I've got 2 or 3 that I'm thinking about putting in the end screen. So I want you to go watch it and then comment on that video that you came to that video from this video. All right, just so I know you jumped and went on over there. So put that in the comments on the other video. And I think that's it. So I just want to do a reintroduction just to help reintroduce myself to any newer subscribers, any newer viewers, so you know what it's all about. So if you hit subscribe because you watched one video, you just liked it, but you haven't gone back and watched the other content, this is what I'm all about. This is the content that I make. It all started with outdoor gear, gear that I already had. I did a video, and then I did another video, and then I was like, you know what, I have a beard, and I've got beard oil, let me do a beard oil video. So I did that, and then it has just progressed and progressed and progressed to where I've been doing this for 4 years now, and absolutely love it. I love every second that I get to spend either filming videos, editing videos, replying to comments, every bit of that. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoy it as well. So just make sure to leave me a comment below. Just drop me a comment, say how long you've been a subscriber. That's what I'm curious about. Drop me a comment and say how long you've been a subscriber to this channel. And yeah, what video, that's 2-part in your comment. How long have you been a subscriber, and what video or videos turned you on to my channel? That'll work. That's what I'm curious about. Because the analytics don't tell me all of that. They just tell me somebody subscribed. They don't tell me where you came from or how long you've been a subscriber. So go let me know all that. And I think that's it for today. Hope you enjoy my content. Hope you enjoy this channel. And I hope to see you around. So until the next video, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.